you find it hard to tell apart the variety of beverages?
No, I don't.
Do you want to learn how to classify your beverages?
No, I don't. Can you just leave me alone and let me drink my coffee in peace?
No. Well, do I have a product for you? Introducing the periodic table of beverages.
Get away from me, I don't want to classify my beverages.
We made the periodic table of beverages. We made the periodic table of beverages based on similarity and calorie content. The drinks in each column share some characteristics, forming families, as in the actual periodic table. Beverages are also arranged horizontally based on the amount of calories per 8 fluid ounces. Calories increase as you move from left to right, as in the actual real periodic table.
Bonjour. The first family in the periodic table of beverages is known as the Aqueous Culture. As the name would suggest, beverages in this family are typically served chilled or cold. This family includes water, seltzer water, flavored water, and Gatorade. These drinks are all typically water-based. The next family is called the SemiAqueous cold drinks. It includes Kool-Aid, lemonade, and fruit punch. These drinks are alike in that they are all juices or mixes. And again, like the name would suggest, these are typically all served chilled or cold. Hot lemonade is not that great. The third family is called the lactoses. It includes almond milk, regular 1% milk, and milkshakes. These drinks are alike in that they are all milky, milk-based, or similar. And again, they are typically served cold or chilled.
Okay, the next family are the soft drinks. We have Coke, Dr. Pepper, root beer, Fanta Orange, 7-Up, and cream soda. All these drinks are typically fizzy or carbonated. They're served chilled, and they have high sugar content.
However, unlike the previous three families, they do not exist in single columns. Instead, they are one large group, just like the transitionary metals in the actual periodic table of elements. Sake, beer, and wine. All these beverages are members of the alcohol group, which, as you can guess, contains alcohol. Sake is typically served warm. However, beer and wine are typically served chilled. The next family is the caffeinated drinks. It includes tea, coffee, and Red Bull. Drinks in this family typically have caffeine in them, as the name would suggest. Additionally, tea and coffee are typically served hot, whereas Red Bull is typically served chilled or cold. However, coffee and tea are sometimes served chilled, as in iced coffee or iced tea. And thus, these beverages are members of the chilloid group, which includes beverages that are sometimes hot and sometimes cold. Sometimes they are like these elements, which are left of the red line, which are all chilled or cold, and sometimes they behave like beverages right of the red line, which are all served hot, typically. The last family is the noble beverages. It includes apple cider, decaf coffee, and eggnog. These are all served hot, typically. The defining characteristic is that they don't cause as much of a reaction when you drink them as the other ones. You know, when you drink tea, even, or Red Bull, you go, ooh. But that just doesn't happen with the noble beverages. But what happened? Ooh, coffee. That is beer, a member of the alcohol family. It is typically served chilled.
Aren't you glad that you now know everything about the periodic table of beverages?
No.